I've had this car for just over 7 years now, and I think during that time I've enjoyed it, but not as much as I do now. This car is really fun. Obviously it's an S4, it's a V8 TFSI, and obviously there's a lot that you have to maintain, well, that you have to do to maintain this car to make sure it stays as healthy as possible. I think over and above that, to be honest, it's been a fun car. Really, it's been really great. It's been really good to me. I cannot complain. The supercharger whine on this car, it's just addictive. It's fun. Whenever I'm driving, I just have fun now and then. And obviously there's a few modifications. I made a video about that. You've seen that as well. So this is just to say, I really appreciate this car. So I think more than anything, is the fun that I have on the road. You've seen a few clips, you've seen a few pulls, you've seen how it takes off, you've heard the noises, you've heard the exhaust, you've heard the supercharger. I think more than anything, it's really, really fun. It's been a fun project. I think as much as I recently started this project, it's been really fun to work on it for me personally. And I think there's still a few more things to come, but for now, the car looks great as it is. And obviously I just have to do a few minor touch-ups here and there, but overall I'm happy with this car. I'm happy with the S4. We are getting somewhere. It's a really fun car to have, and if anyone is looking at buying a B8 or B8.5 S4 S5 supercharged, go for it. It's a great car to drive. It's a great car to have, as long as you do your maintenance, as long as you do everything when it's due, or just do preventative maintenance as well to make sure that everything is fine. Just the grille alone, I know a lot of people, they always start with the grille. That's the first modification, then they do the intake, then everything else follows after that. But I went over and above. I've done headlights, I've done a couple of other things. Yeah, but I think overall this car is really, really good. It's turning out to be my best project so far, and I'm happy with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.